we are alive to the fact that the options of raising more taxes are limited, because Kenyans have complained loudly before of high taxation. We are also aware that we are limited options in borrowing money to finance our budget, which continues to increase, especially as a result of debt service cost. Therefore, we are very innovative and creative in this finance bill. How? We are focusing, and we've gone back to the basics of taxation. The basics of taxation ensures equity, ensures fairness, and ensures simplicity. Therefore, the proposals in this bill are going to enhance simplicity to help us in tax administration. Fairness. Let everyone who is supposed to pay tax pay their fair share of tax and pay it fairly. Equity. Let us treat people equally. If you're making money and you're paying tax, pay. Another person who is making money should also pay his fair share or her fair share of tax.